Morning traders. Today we want to go over a stock that went up yesterday and looks nice. That's Peloton. If you look at the daily, this is a 5-day, 30-minute chart. Um, let's see, 3 days ago had its bottom, came up day before yesterday, top of this Bollinger Band, near the bottom of the Bollinger Band, but a higher low, right? Not a lower low. So you could have expected this to also turn up with the market, right? That was up yesterday. So this was up about 15%. Mostly, look at that. The first hour and then flat and probably open up $1. So let's see what happened with the options, right? So let's look at this. The 116 call. Excuse me. So 116 call went from about $39. Yesterday was about, let's see, as high as about 380, so that's about 874%. Um, so of course anything half of that or quarter of that would have been great, right? You could have doubled your money or more. What is that? About 400, 200%, even just catching half of that. So good luck. Talk to you soon. Hopefully you'll catch one of these today.